Did you know a construction worker risked everything to save children he'd never met? Carlos had 20 years building homes and schools across the city. His own 3 kids were set to attend the new elementary school he was working on. But something was wrong. The concrete was watered down, fire exits blocked. His boss made it clear, stay quiet or lose your job. With 3 mouths to feed, Carlos couldn't afford to speak up. But he thought about those children walking those unsafe halls. So he secretly photographed every violation and called the building inspectors. He was fired the next day, just as expected. The building was condemned before opening, preventing a tragedy. The city hired Carlos as their head safety inspector. Sometimes doing right leads to something better.